It is mid-July and you have yet to put any finishing touches on your deck. It may be looking a little bare, so today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to give it a little summery boost. I'm going to show you how to artfully pot plants, such as this one. First, you're going to need to gather all the materials I have listed. You're going to need pots. Shape, color, and size is completely up to you. Then you're going to need an array of flowers and plants. Today, I went with the purple scheme, but once again, it is completely up to you. However, it is important to remember that depending on where you're going to place your plants, you're going to need to buy ones that can withstand full, partial, or little sun. You're also going to need potting soil. I prefer some with organic matter. You're also going to need your gardening tools, such as a trowel and gardening gloves. You're also going to need fertilizer spikes and a place to put your finished product. But don't forget to water. Now that you know what materials you need, I'm going to show you how to actually pot your plants. First, you're going to fill your pot 3/4 full with your organic potting soil. Make sure to break up any big chunks. Then you're going to take your tallest flower or plant and place it in the middle or on the back, depending on where you're going to set your finished product, to give you a good starting boundary. Make sure you always break up your roots of your plant before placing it in the pot. I'm putting mine in the back today. You need to dig a little hole, place your plant in, and then bury it. It is okay to give it an extra scoop if it needs buried. This is a spike. Next, you're going to take whatever plants you prefer. These are torinias. You want to vary the size, shape, and color even a little bit, just to give your pot a little life. Next, I'm going to take some petunias. It is also important to know that you don't always have to use flowers in your pot. Plants such as your spikes and dusty millers like these make great little fillers. Now I'm going to take some balloon flowers. Another dusty miller just to fill. And we'll finish our pot off with another petunia in front. If you think your pot looks full and arranged, keep it like that. However, it is pretty easy to move around your flowers if you don't like exactly where they're sitting. Next, to make sure they stay healthy, take a few fertilizer spikes and place them evenly around your pot. These help to sustain your plants other than just your potting soil and regular water, and they're a great way to make sure your plants can make it through these hot summer months. After you're finished with that, if your plants look a little loose or wobbly, you can add another scoop of fertilizer soil, just to make sure they stay in place. Then again, it is very important, since it's so hot, to make sure you water. And there you have it, your finished potted plant. Today I have shown you how to add a little artful boost to your potted plants, which is a beautiful and natural way to spruce up your deck. Even though summer may be half over, it is never too late to be the envy of all of your neighbors.